Welcome back to our YouTube channel Study Live. Today I am starting a new class and new chapter. This is the topic and chapter of 8th class. That is the sample paper of class 8. In this year, 5th and 8th class is board class. So I will help your study on English because in this present situation, students are most dangerous subject in English because that is not correct. English is very easy language and easy on the topics as you know simple your vocabulary like a grammar. So I will help on your study. That is a simple paper of DPI. DPI is the oldest government of state government. So let's start. If you will read in this video and watch this video, you will already help on your study. So I will start. Let's start. Time 3 hours and maximum marks 80 because 20 marks is project work. So 100 marks is divided on 80 marks on your exam, and 20 marks is a project work. So first is it is compulsory to answer all the question. Second, question number 1 to 15 is objective type question. Each which number 1, 10 are multiple choice question, and question number 11, 15 are fill in the blanks, and very short answer type and long answer type. So firstly, I start a objective type question. 15 marks. Choose the correct answer. That is this type of question is a very easy as you understand this language. First is it is believed that some venom had fallen on Madurai from Lord Shiva snake. It is believed. Believe means विश्वास करना. It is believed that some venom means जहर, विष, had fallen गिराया गया था on Madurai फ्रॉम लॉर्ड शिवा स्नेक. लॉर्ड शिवा स्नेक उनके सर्प से कुछ जो जहर की बूंदें हैं वो गिराई गई थी मदुरई शहर में. दिस इज़ अ लेसन ऑफ अ प्लेस फिट फॉर गॉड्स टू मैरी, मदुरई और मथुरापुरी. as you know, if you are a student of class 8, if you are a teacher, you know easily. So pick out a word which has a meaning like the underlined word. Underlined word means venom. Venom is an underlined word. So what is the meaning of venom? Venom means poison, jahar. So first option is already we can see. Option B, amrit. Option C, nectar. Nectar and amrit are similar. In Hindi, nectar means amrit. And option number D, honey. Honey means shahad. So option number A is correct. Second question, money given to the student to continue their studies is called. Money given to the student. स्टूडेंट को जो मनी दिया जाता है, पैसा दिया जाता है टू कंटिन्यू देयर स्टडीज़. जब उनकी पढ़ाई चलती रहती है तो बच्चों को जो पैसा दिया जाता है, मनी दिया जाता है, उसे क्या कहा जाता है? ऑप्शन ए सर्टिफिकेट, प्रमाण पत्र. ऑप्शन बी स्कॉलरशिप, छात्रवृत्ति. ऑप्शन सी मेडल. ऑप्शन डी सपोर्ट. सो इन when student studies in school or college, so money give to the student to continue their studies is called scholarship. So option number B is right answer. Question number 3, she fill in the blanks in Mumbai. This is a tense, and a tense is very important in English language. So C fill in the blanks in Mumbai. That is the present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense, we no use in a helping verb. We use are, depends on subject. So she fill in the blanks in Mumbai. वह मुंबई में रहती है. In the Hindi meaning of this sentence, live, lives, living, none. So वह मुंबई में रहती है. She is the subject of third person singular number. So this is the sentence of present indefinite tense. So we use a verb on s plus es. So ये हो जाएगा सी लिव्स इन मुंबई. वह मुंबई में रहती है. वर्ब में एस या ई एस इसलिए लगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट हमारे पास सी है. सो वी कैन चेंज इनटू नेगेटिव. सो शी डज नॉट लिव इन मुंबई. वह मुंबई में नहीं रहती है. चेंज इनटू इंट्रोगेटिव. क्या वह मुंबई में रहती है? डज शी लिव इन मुंबई. Tenses are very simple if you can know. So option number B is right answer. Question number 4. Carat meter is used to measure. That is a lesson of Jago Grahak, Jago, 8th class. Purity, option number A, purity of gold. Option B, purity of silver. Option C, quality species. Option D, quality of cloth. So we read in this lesson Jago Grahak Jago, ISI mark as you remember. So carat meter is used on purity of gold. सोने की शुद्धता का माप करने के लिए कैरेटोमीटर का यूज़ किया जाता है. इफ when gold is the purity of 24 carat meter, but we wear 23 carat. So option number A is right answer. The shoemaker lived in a little house on the edge of a wood. In this sentence, wood means the shoemaker. Listen to the shoemaker and the ifs. The shoemaker lived, shoemaker जूता बनाने वाला रहता था. इन अ लिटिल हाउस, छोटे से घर में. ऑन द ईज, किनारे पर. वुड, जंगल. जंगल में वो एक लकड़ी के बने हुए छोटे से मकान में रहता था. इन दिस सेंटेंस वुड मीन्स, सो यहाँ पे पूछा जा रहा है कि वुड का मीनिंग क्या है. ऑप्शन ए पीस ऑफ लॉन्ग. ऑप्शन बी फॉरेस्ट. ऑप्शन सी मैच बॉक्स. ऑप्शन डी स्टिक. स्टिक छड़ी, मैच बॉक्स माचिस, फॉरेस्ट जंगल एंड पीस ऑफ लॉन्ग. सो वुड मीन्स जंगल, लकड़ी. सो रिलेटेड इज द वर्ड ऑफ फॉरेस्ट. वो लकड़ी के जंगल में लकड़ी के एक छोटे से बने हुए घर में रहता था. सो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Sudha Chandran was inspired by. Who is the person that Sudha Chandran was inspired? Sudha Chandran is a very famous lady. So she overcome to her handicap. So who is the person of inspired by Sudha Chandran? Sudha Chandran, option number A, Helen Keller. Option B, Valentina Terracotta. Option C, Elena Johnson. Option D, Dr. Pramod Shetty. Dr. Pramod Shetty is a doctor of Sudha Chandran. So she is not inspired on the doctor. She is inspired on the Helen Keller, because same situation is Sudha Chandran and Helen Keller. Helen Keller is a American lady, and she overcome a deafness and blindness, and she is a first woman of to overcome her blindness and deafness, and she read college. She visited to all the world, and she is a very inspiring person. So Sudha Chandran was inspired by option number A, Helen Keller. Mohan is, question number 7. Mohan is fill in the blanks than his sister. It is a degree. So third form is the degree of positive, comparative and superlative. Option number A, young. Option B, younger. Option C, youngest. Option D, more young. Mohan is, अगर आपको दिख रहा है then तो आपको यूज करना है कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, कहाँ की तुलना हो रही है यहाँ पे, सो यहाँ पे लगेगा मोहन इज़ younger. Young is a positive degree, younger is a comparative degree, and youngest is a superlative degree. So we use in this sentence in younger. Option number B. Question number 8. In the poem Fog, the poet reached his home by following. In the poem Fog, the poet reached his home by following. In this lesson, only two persons. Option A, blind man. Option B, his brother. Option C, his mother. Option D, his friend. In this poem, only two persons. One is a poet and the secondly is a blind man. So answer is a blind man following to the poet and reached his home. Question number 9. He goes to school. Change into negative. In every class like 8, 9, 10, negative, interrogative, change in tense. It is a very easy if you can attention proper. Option number A, he is not going to school, he does not go to school, he do not go to school, he did not go to school. If you are structure of the sentence, that you can easily make the sentence. He goes to school. This is a present indefinite tense because verb is the use of s plus es. So you the change into negative ये हो जाएगा he does not go to school. Option number B is correct. Going is a continuous form, and do we can not use a do, and did is a past tense. So option number B is correct. Knitting a woolen scarf require patience. Choose the correct spelling of the underlined word. Underlined word knitting. So option number A, KNITING, KNITTING, KNETING, KNNITING. Knitting means बुनना. Knit means बुनना. Knitting बुन रहा. So option number B is correct. KNITTING. Question number 11. Grandmother sat on a. This is a lesson of the photograph. One boy and a grandmother. So his grandmother sat on a. उसकी grandmother कहाँ बैठी हुई थी? So she is sat on a string bed. जो खाट होता है बुनने वाला, वो वहाँ पे बैठी हुई थी. In this language, Thai means the flavors of the Thailand. What is the history of this Thai? So Thai is the meaning of in this lesson. Thai means freedom in Thai language according to Thailand. Raju is familiar with computer, but he is with typewriter. Add proper prefix. Prefix we can use in a word of, this word is before. It means in Hindi upsarg. So familiar, unfamiliar. Raju is familiar with computer, but he is unfamiliar with typewriter. Question number 14. I love music. मैं म्यूज़िक पसंद करता हूँ, प्यार करता हूँ. एंड आई वांट टू बिकम. अगर उसे म्यूज़िक पसंद है तो वो क्या बनेगा? म्यूजिशियन. सो आई लव म्यूज़िक एंड आई वांट टू बिकम अ म्यूजिशियन. एट प्रॉपर सफिक्स टू द अंडरलाइन वर्ड. सफिक्स मीन्स प्रत्यय जो शब्द के बाद लगता है. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. वाज इन्वाइटेड टू ड्रा द किंग्स पोर्ट्रेट. पोर्ट्रेट मीन्स चित्र. दैट इज दिस इज अ थर्ड लेसन ऑफ क्लास 8 मीज़र फॉर मीज़र. राजा का चित्र बनाने के लिए किसे इनवाइट किया गया था? सो राज वर्मा वाज इनवाइटेड टू ड्रा द किंग्स पोर्ट्रेट. So this is completed of this class. Tomorrow you will be ready on this class. Okay, thank you so much. Share, subscribe and share.